G'day everyone! I just fished the Elizabeth River today, caught a few little trout just to fill in some time. I've been having a bit of trouble with my back and my hips, so I've just been resting the past few weeks. I hope you enjoy some of the fish I caught today. Just wanted to talk about the two reels I've got in front of me here. That's the Daiwa Sir Tate, overpriced, nice reel, but Shimano Stratic, best bang for the buck, 3000 size. It covers your inshore and fresh water. I'd say it's got a better waterproofing than that. It lays line better than that. It's equally as smooth as the Sir Tate. And it's half the price. This size is good. The 3000 size has got a carbon fibre drag, where the 2500 size, the bodies are the same, the spool's bigger on these, and the 2500 size has got a titanium cotton drag that runs on molybdenum grease. But if you can go the 3000 size, you get that extra little bit of line capacity, the body's the same, and you get the upgraded carbon fibre drag system. If you're looking for a mid-range reel at about 260 bucks, bargain. This here, 560 I think. Not as good. It's nice, but I'd sooner the worm drive oscillation than the locomotive. I do like the monocoque body on that. I like the bail arm on probably the Stratic better. The line lays better. And overall, for value for money, you can't go past them. If you got the dosh to buy something nice, brilliant reel. So all the best, folks. I hope you enjoy my video and stay safe and tight lines. Oh, come on. Oh. Is that recording? Was recording. Come here, you. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Right, I'll let you go. Come on. There you go. Oh, alright, Finn. Got it. Oh. Oh, bugger. Bastard. He was a better fish too. Oh, I'm on. Heaps of these little ones in here. Most smallest ones I've seen for a long time in here. Come on, mate. Oh, come on. I don't want to damage you. future generation. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, he's right. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. That's him. He's right. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, he feels all right. Oh, he's off. Little one again. Oh, what's with all the little baby trout? Friggin' baby trout everywhere. Oh, God. God. Here we are. He's only got a bleeding leg. Get back down there. Oh, first cast. It's good going. These must be this season's because I've never seen so many little fish around. Oh, he's down that. Oh. I'm gonna be able to get this out of him. Far out he took that. He's alright. There you go.